I'll start the briefing. Finally, the mission to rescue the chairman has begun. The pre-positioned airborne troops will rescue the chairman, and we will provide support. Gargoyle, eliminate any airborne threats to the rescue party, and support the rescue mission until it reaches the rendezvous point. The rescue of the kidnapped chairman Etu is a matter of top priority. You absolutely must protect those transport aircraft from attack. Your launch time is 0600 hours. That's your mission. Good luck.
Hey, you've got great taste in planes. You and I think alike, kid. All right, let's get going.
Ground forces have successfully freed the VIP. They are presently moving. The enemy may deploy air power. Stay on guard at all times. That is all. Switching communications. Strike, Gargoyle. Checking in. We are airborne. Drake, your priority is to protect the target. Gargoyle, shoot down approaching bogies. Wilco. Don't want to lose it here. I ain't much of a swimmer. Cerberus contact. Single group. Gargoyle, your group. Bearing 045. 10 miles. 3000. Freestyle. Hostile. Roger, Cerberus. How long is this gonna go on? That's right. You saw that, didn't ya? Gargoyle 1, Splash 1.
Lock.
Gargoyle 1, good kill.
Lock.
Stay sharp unless you want to get croaked. Gargoyle 1, Splash 1.
Lock.
All right, nice kill.
Lock.
Gargoyle 1, Splash 1. Enemy reinforcements confirmed. Engage. Bearing 330. 10 miles. 4000. Freestyle. Hostile. Copy, Cerberus. We won't let the baddies lay a finger on them. Enemy fighters crossing. Intercept immediately. Still has a way to go before reaching the rendezvous point. Protect by any means necessary. Starburst, we have confirmation of multiple enemy fighters and attack aircraft approaching from outside the area. Wilco. Here we go, Gargoyle 1. Don't let a single one of them get near. I've got Jones. Gargoyle 2. Fox 3. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill that bastard! No friggin' way! Starburst, more hostile contact. Gargoyle, your group. Bearing 360. 10 miles. 4,000. Freestyle. These guys are hostile too. Copy, Starburst. I still don't like all this.
Starburst, we have enemy contact. Where's our escort?
Lost.
Starburst copies. Gargoyle, Postman needs immediate support. Wilco.
Lost. Lost. Lost.
All right, nice kill! Gargoyle, freestyle confirmed splash. What a waste of a great handling aircraft! I've got Jones. Gargoyle 2. Fox 3.
Lost.
All right, nice kill!
Lost.
I've got Jones. Enemy reinforcements confirmed. Engage.
Lost.
Bearing 105. 5 miles. 5,000.
Lost.
Tornado. Hostile. Tornado? Who the hell are we fighting?
Starburst, we have enemy contact. Where's our escort?
Starburst copies.
Lost.
Gargoyle, Postman needs immediate support. Wilco. Sayonara, you bastard! Gargoyle, Bandit confirmed splash. Gargoyle 1, instruction complete.
contact. Where's our escort?
Starburst copies. Gargoyle, Postman needs immediate support. Wilco. Starburst contact. Single group. Declare. Gargoyle, your group. Bearing 360. Confirm splashes, Gargoyle. Good shooting. No problem. Piece of cake. I'm a bit tuckered, though.
Thanks for your efforts. Head for home.
The mission went off without a hitch. The VIP was rescued unharmed and is now resting in the infirmary. Thanks to Gargoyle and the squadron, there were no injuries. Great effort, folks.
The VIP was saved, and the top brass are happy. Any chance we might get a bonus out of this one?